As a testing center candidate, browse and select tests. After payment, gain test access with authorization. Proctored tests ensure integrity with monitored environments. Candidates need their ID and phone or webcam for environment scanning to prevent cheating. To do a test as a candidate, let's first log into the application using your credentials. Go to the Assignments tab, and then click on My Tests. The tests you will see here are the tests you have bought or have been given authorization to take. We will talk about two scenarios in today's video. The first will be about live proctored sessions, while the second one will be about AI proctored sessions. In the case of a live proctored exam, if you've purchased the test, you will need to take it at the exact time it is scheduled. The seats for sessions are limited, thus the candidate needs to reserve the place by clicking on the book button. This action will trigger an automatic email notification where they will get all the according information for the exam, such as when the session starts, when it ends, as well as a link to the test, which they can enter through to get to the exam. It's highly advised that you check your equipment before the start of the test. The equipment check is required only if the test is proctored, to avoid any technical issues. To learn more about the equipment check, you can see our video dedicated to doing an equipment check from start to finish. You can now click the Start button, and you will be redirected to the official equipment check just before you're allowed to do the test. You should go through all of the steps and provide a valid ID, as well as a recording of your environment if it is required by the system. Once you've done that, you will be taken to the next step, which is the pause screen, where you will see the proctor's greeting message, asking you to wait patiently while they examine your documents and environment. After they confirm it is suitable and unpauses the screen, you may begin the test. In the bottom left screen, click on the video where you are being recorded. This will open various options for you. Through the chat, you can communicate with the proctor if there is something that you are uncertain about during the test. After all, the proctor is not there to only look out for misconduct, but also to be a guide to you. In the second scenario of AI proctored exams, means there is no human proctor who is following the session in real time. Thus, these sessions do not have a limit, and they are available to be taken at any time, 24/7. The candidate doesn't need to book these exams, and can instead start them right away. You will also do an equipment check in this process as a first step. Then you will be redirected to the test. This process will be recorded, and you may be warned by the system if it notices any irregular behavior. At the end of the test, the proctor will review the recording which has been stored by the system and either approve or reject the test attempt. For example, the documents could be invalid, or they may have suspected signs of cheating. In this case, you'll need to retake the test. See our other videos for more information on utilizing the YouTestMe application.